Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Love shooting video? Adobe's Premiere Rush, which has been available on iOS and desktops for a little while now, has finally arrived on Android. At the outset, only for certain handsets, Premiere Rush puts some powerful yet simple to use video editing tools in the palm of your hand. Adobe's Director of Emerging Products, Steve Ford.
With Rush, our design goal was pretty aggressive. We wanted to be able to say to anyone who really has no experience with creating video to be able to use the application on their mobile device. And then within 3 minutes or less of installing it, be able to complete some actually pretty complex things like cutting the story together, adding motion graphics, so titles and so forth, and be able to manipulate audio.
Adobe has done it. You can try Premiere Rush for free. Subscriptions are priced at about $10 a month. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.